What the fuck is my ear?
It's probably geek.
Mikey, I will dump your nuts right here.
Get some water. Get some water.
Yeah, get through. I'm almost sure, Chris.
I mean, it's gonna get hot.
Oh yeah, it's a little fucking warm. Just a little.
Everybody's videotaping it.
Fuck you all.
This looks like one of those grind shows.
What'd you say, James?
One of those grind shows?
Shut up, man.
With the grinder girls?
Oh.
I was about to videotape you. I brought my camcorder. Well, if I have a camcorder and I brought it, and I was allowed to use it.
Cool off, Penny.
Yeah, it's better.
I gotta go through slow.
Yeah, you saw my.
Because if I go through fast, it can bind and cut.
Okay, but just to let you know, all that air that's coming on my face is literally stopping me from breathing.
Okay.
So, you know, I am pregnant. Let's not forget that.
It's good to document that.
Alright, well, give it a second. Now it's really fucking hot. Ah, here, move my phone. James, take that. Oh my god, that was hot. Is it ringing right
Yeah.
now?
Like literally almost there.
Oh, fuck.
Dave, Dick.
Oh yeah, answer that.
Hey, this is Chrissy's phone. She's a little busy.
Yeah, I'm so cool.
Adam is currently hitting them with a grinder.
Dave dead.
I'll send you the video later.
Well, he wants to know if we need the thingies.
You know what?
Okay, well, yeah, like I said, they're
No, I wonder. I don't want to get into anything.
like doing that right now. So,
I wonder if
but I'll have her call you back.
this way gets her ear away from the heat.
Probably will.
You know what I'm saying? Yeah.
Yeah, I didn't realize I was coming to get branded too. Okay, so sorry.
Breathe.
It's almost through.
No, Max, shut your mouth. Okay. That's gonna help out a lot. Here. Shoot. Okay, almost.
Yep.
Ready?
Well, cool it off first.
I didn't realize I was coming for a wet t-shirt contest too.
I'll move your...
I don't have the power to move my ear.
That one's out. Hold on.
Ah!
Here, throw a warm. Not that.
Okay, well, in a cut, it's on fire.
Sure.
So, Chrissy,
That's one. One down.
using locks to stretch your ears out? Good idea?
Oh yeah. Do it again.